An easy fall DIY. In this video, I'm going to be making a fall wreath. First, you need to get all of your goods to make your fall wreath. I went to the local park. Shh, I don't think you're supposed to do this. And I picked up the goods. I just love this time of year. So, inspired to make a fall wreath with this fall beautiful weather. Are you ready?
I told Jerry I wanted some of the flowers from the lily pads.
Look at this turtle. Look at this turtle.
Where? Oh!
Look. Don't go close to it.
It ain't
Go in the water.
Okay.
Go in the water.
I want to get a picture of it.
Go on up a little bit farther. He's going to take off.
No, he ain't.
See it? That's a snapper. That's a snapper. That's a snapper.
Oh, gosh.
That's a snapper.
Well, you got to go there, Jerry, and get my flowers.
Yeah, you think I reached my hands in that water? He's sunbathing.
Yeah, he was. See, I want a few of those little lily pad flowers sticking here.
Right there, get one.
I ain't reached my hand in that where he was at.
Right there, just grab it.
Right there's one right there sticking up, Jerry.
And that's why I said, get it.
I can't reach down there and get that. You get the knife, get down there and get it. See the flower?
All you got to do is pull it.
You sure?
Yeah, just hurry.
It's probably not the smartest thing to stick your hand in a pond, but you gotta do what you gotta do for your project. Now these little weed looking things, I see them on the side of the road. I had to get them for this project. I got some pine branches, I got some leaves, I got some acorns, a lot of acorns, lots of acorns. And I got the actual wreath base at a yard sale for $1. We got everything laid out on a newspaper. I've got polyurethane spray paint. It's a clear paint that I'm going to be spraying over everything. Now what I just did is I placed everything on the wreath to see how it's going to look. I used scissors to trim what I need to trim. And I'm just kind of getting a feel of how I'm going to have it displayed on the wreath before I glue it. I'm going to be using a hot glue gun, but I don't know exactly how I want to do this wreath. I just want it to be fall, inspired, cute, something that I'm going to keep inside. Of course I'm going to keep it inside because I don't know how well it's going to act out in the actual weather elements. So let's see what we come up with. I went ahead and gave everything a nice coat outside and let it dry with the polyurethane. I think I'm saying it right. And I got my glue gun heating up. I did bring this inside because I couldn't find the extension cord, so I'm going to be using the glue gun in the kitchen, which is not a great idea. You need to do it outside if possible. But yes, first spray, let dry, and then get ready to glue. Easy as that. I glued the leaves and I'm starting to glue it. I'm thinking I'm liking it. I think it's in a good place. I like how all the leaves are arranged. Now it's time for the acorn. And ta-da! That's how you save $45 on a wreath. Isn't that the price they go for? Pretty expensive. And this was absolutely $1. Well, a couple bucks if you want to include the polyurethane that we already had. But I'm just going to give it an extra coat of the polyurethane, let it set, let it dry, and then I'm going to go back and I am going to spray a little bit of fall scents on it. Or fall oils, just something so you don't smell that polyurethane, and it also gives you the aroma of fall in your home. And I am keeping this wreath inside. I don't want to keep it outside because, like I said, I do not know how it's going to work in weather elements. I took it inside and I'm not really sure where I want to put this at because it does need to be inside. It's a little bit too big for a front door, so I'm gonna have to find a good place for it. I'm not quite sure where. Oh! Ta-da! I found a perfect spot for it. I put my little squirrel with a little bit more acorns I had left over. Look how cute this wreath turned out. And I'm telling you, it is super duper cute. Real acorns, a little squirrel enjoying his acorns at the wreath. I'm telling you, an easy DIY served with sweet harvest pumpkin. And here's what I did with my leftover acorns that I had. I just put them in a little basket.